In Nacogdoches for this next one, Devin Hamilton, a man from Louisiana, was also arrested during a traffic stop. And after it was all said and done, Hamilton is now currently facing felony charges. And just like the last one, deputies found a treasure trove of different drugs. Take a look. The sheriff's office had to sort through all of these. They found a dozen bottles of promethazine cough syrup, 11 THC vapes, and several packages of marijuana. After weighing it all out, Hamilton had more than 8 pounds of weed in his car. Moving forward, Hamilton may have more charges coming his way.